Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Roku TV. First, carefully unbox all your television's components, ensuring nothing is left in the packaging. Next, locate the power cord and plug it firmly into the back of your television, then into a reliable wall outlet. Remember to insert the two AAA batteries into your remote control now, ensuring it is ready for immediate activation. This crucial initial preparation makes the subsequent setup steps much smoother for everyone. Once your television powers on, use the remote to select your preferred language, like English or Spanish. Then, choose your specific country or region from the menu presented. The next step is crucial. Connect your television to your home Wi-Fi network. Find your network name in the list, then carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. A strong internet connection is key for seamless streaming enjoyment. Now, it's time to set up your Roku account. You can create a new one or sign in to an existing account using a separate device like your computer or smartphone. The television will then guide you to link it to your newly created or existing Roku account. Afterward, you can freely browse the channel store and add your preferred streaming services, like Hulu or Prime Video, right to your home screen. With your Roku TV set up, you can now personalize your home screen. Easily rearrange your channel tiles to put your favorites front and center. Be sure to explore the Roku channel, which offers hundreds of hours of free movies and shows. Finally, take a moment to fine-tune your picture and sound settings for a truly immersive and enjoyable viewing experience. Happy streaming, everyone!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.